two male reporters associated with JTBC are facing accusations of sexual harassment against two female reporters from a competing broadcasting station. The Journalists Association of Korea and JTBC have both launched investigations into the accusations. Earlier on April 9, 4 journalists from the Journalists Association of Korea were selected to visit Mongolia based on a joint agreement to investigate climate change in Korea and Mongolia. After arriving in Mongolia, the 4 reporters attended a banquet prepared by the Journalist Association of Mongolia on April 12. Then, after the banquet, the 2 male reporters on the trip allegedly engaged in acts of sexual harassment against their colleagues, 2 female reporters. The news was exclusively reported on April 14 by Maeil Business Newspaper. Upon learning of the news, the Journalists Association of Korea stated, the 4 reporters, selected by the Journalists Association of Korea for the Joint Agreement on Climate Change Investigation in Korea and Mongolia, returned to Korea on April 13 after completing their duties. However, we belatedly learned that shameful acts were committed during this business trip in Mongolia. The association expresses deep regret in the fact that we belatedly learned of such an issue, and additionally for our insufficient control in the matter. The Journalists Association of Korea assured that a thorough investigation will be carried out with written reports submitted by all parties involved, and that a disciplinary committee will punish wrongdoers found to be guilty of misconduct. Similarly, JTBC also relayed in response to the issue, 2 reporters from our broadcasting station visited Mongolia for 5 days beginning on April 9. These 2 reporters then returned to Korea on April 13. Shortly afterward, we were notified that these 2 reporters engaged in disgraceful acts against their colleagues from a different station. Upon hearing the news, T2 reporters were immediately removed from their positions. JTBC has launched an investigation to obtain the full facts, and disciplinary action will be taken.